Hello guys, are you ready to explore Web3 on Tron blockchain and also on Tron network? Let me show you how to set up MyTonWallet. This is where you get started. First, you need to download MyTonWallet from App Store, Play Store. In my own case, I'm using an Android phone. I'll go to Play Store, download MyTonWallet, open it. Now I'll create a new wallet, set up a password for your wallet. Use a strong password that someone like me cannot guess. I'm joking. So that is to secure your own wallet so that unauthorized access cannot be used on your wallet. And secure my seed phrase. Guys, this is very important step. You have to make sure that you save and secure your seed phrase. Write down your seed phrase on a paper or somewhere safe. If you lose your seed phrase, you lose your wallet and your asset. And now you are ready to explore the Web3 on Tron blockchain and also on Tron network. You can send and receive from your Tron wallet. Guys, this is my first video on my Tron wallet, so you can't believe what the next video will be. Just follow me and then let's dive into my Tron wallet and a lot of things you can do in the Web3 with my Tron wallet.